won't hurt you anymore.
You said that you were gonna strangle me, and you shoved pizza on my face.
You got cut. You shoved
pizza. I got cut.
You shaved pizza on my face.
So I got cut.
So did I.
No.
Yeah, you did on my nose.
Are we gonna do this or not? Are you guys gonna sing?
You told me what
Yep.
you.
Yeah.
1, 2,
Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday, dear Charlie. Happy birthday to you.
Blow your candles out. Shh, blew it. Oh, look at the wax in my
Hurry
mouth.
up.
Got him.
I have to go poo. I'm gonna
Here you go. Here you go.
It smells like this.
No.
Yeah.
I want to feed you.
Everyone share the licking treatment.